Guys, welcome to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to find the range of the function given. So the function is f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 on x minus 1. So the first thing we need to do is to analyze the function structure. So when you look at this, you can see that the denominator is x minus 1. And this one, we have to make sure that the denominator will not become 0. Okay, when it becomes 0, it means the function is undefined because the denominator becomes 0. So when x is equal to 1, this whole function is undefined because x will be equal to 0. The denominator will be equal to 0. Good. So we have analyzed this, say that when x is equal to 1, the function is undefined. Yes. And you know the reason. The reason is that when s is equal to 1, when you put it here, the denominator will be 0 in it to store function. Good. So 2, we need to express y is equal to f of x. Okay. So we say that y is equal to f of x, and f of x is equal to 2x plus 3 on x minus 1. So this y is equal to f of x. 3, solve for x in terms of y. So we solve for x in terms of y. So we need to multiply both sides by x minus 1. So y into bracket x minus 1 is equal to 2x plus 3 on x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1. So you can see that this, the denominator will cancel out this, leaving y is equal to x plus 3. We can expand the bracket. So it will be xy minus y is equal to 2x plus 3. Don't forget, we are solving for x. So we need to group the x terms at one side. X terms as one side. So we can bring 2x to the left hand side. So it's going to be x, y minus 2x is equal to, then we bring send y to the other side to be y plus 3. So this, we can factor out x. So it's going to be x into bracket y minus this one to be 2. So if you want to get back this terms, you can get it x times y is xy, x times 2 is 2x. Okay, y plus 3. Now we have to divide both sides by x. Now we have to divide both sides by y minus 2. Okay, so we divide both sides by y minus 2, y minus 2. So this will cancel out this, giving x is equal to y plus 3 on y minus 2. Okay, so now we have to look for our range. So when you take the denominator and you set it to 0, so we say that y minus 2 is equal to 0. Then you solve for y. So y is equal to 2. So our denominator, which is y minus 2, when you set it to 0 and make y the subject, we are getting 2. So it means that y must not be equal to 2. Okay, y must not be equal to 2. So far as when you put y to be 2, it will set the denominator to 0. and this whole function will be undefined. So we say that therefore y is not equal to 2. So answer, the range is all real numbers except y is equal to 2. You can also use, you can say that y is said that y belongs to all real numbers except y is to 2, like this. So we can write it in words or in expression. Please take note, we are using y because it's for the range. Okay, we are not using x, we are using y because the question asks us to find the range for the function. So the range is based on the values of y. So this is the range for the question. Thank you.